Welcome to 3110 British Lane, where you will find a 4-bedroom split floor plan, with all bedrooms having walk-in closets. The great room has a corner gas fireplace and a vaulted ceiling. The large dining area is adjoined to the large kitchen. The kitchen has a breakfast bar island, refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, and microwave. The master bedroom has a tray ceiling, a private bath with dual sinks, a soaker tub, and a separate shower. This home also has a wood-fenced yard, a shop, a 2-car garage, city water, city sewer, and a home warranty paid by the seller. Click on the red dots to go to that location of the home. Click on the back arrow to return to the previous scene. Click the forward arrow to view the next scene, or just sit back and enjoy the tour as it plays. The great room has a corner gas fireplace, a vaulted ceiling with a ceiling fan, vinyl flooring, and measures 18 feet 6 inches by 15 feet 2. The great room has a corner gas fireplace, a vaulted ceiling with a ceiling fan, vinyl flooring, and measures 18 feet 6 inches by 15 feet 2. The large dining area is adjoined to the large kitchen. The kitchen has a breakfast bar island, refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, and microwave. The dining area of the kitchen has vinyl floors and measures 10 feet 5 inches by 9 feet 2. The hall of the kitchen leads to the master bedroom, laundry room, and pantry. The kitchen has a breakfast bar island, appliances that include a refrigerator, range, microwave, dishwasher, and measures 16 feet by 10 feet 8 inches. The back door leads to the fenced backyard. The kitchen offers an island breakfast bar, appliances that include a dishwasher range, microwave, refrigerator, a pantry, and Formica countertops. The laundry room is located off the kitchen. The laundry room is located off the kitchen. It has a washer and dryer hookup, cabinets, vinyl flooring, and measures 6 feet 8 inches by 5 feet 7. The master bedroom is located off the kitchen hall, making this a split bedroom floor plan. The master has beautiful vinyl floors, a tray ceiling with a ceiling fan, a private bath, a walk-in closet, and measures 14 feet 7 inches by 14 feet 3. The master walk-in closet has vinyl floors and measures 8 feet 2 inches by 5 feet 8. The private master bath has dual sinks, a soaker tub, and a separate shower, vinyl floors, and measures 8 feet 2 inches by 8 feet 2. The solid door in the kitchen leads to the 2-car garage. The glass door leads to the backyard. This view of the great room is from the kitchen. The guest hall is located off the great room, making this a split bedroom floor plan. The guest hall is located off the great room. It leads to the guest rooms and guest bathroom.